Good day everyone. Once again, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the surface area of a solid figure and its net. In this lesson, you will learn how to visualize the surface area of solid figures such as cube, prism, pyramid, cone, cylinder, and sphere. You will also learn the formula to be used in solving surface area and how to solve it. Also, I'll be giving you the nets of each solid figure. And lastly, the units of measure for the surface area to be used will also tackle. If you are ready, then let us now begin. At first, let us have the definition of terms. First, surface area, and then second, solid figures. When we speak of surface area, this refers to the sum of the areas of all the surfaces of a solid figure. Meaning to say, kukunin lang natin lahat ng areas, and then pagsasama-samahin, yun yung tinatawag nating surface area. And when we speak of a solid figure, or solid figures, these are figures made from different plane figures such as square, rectangle, triangle, and the like. So again, once na alam natin on how to get the areas of different plane figures, then we can perform this what you call surface area. In solving for surface area, it is very important that you know what plane figure is represented by its face. Another way of describing the surface area of a solid figure is through determining the area of its net. Now, ano ba itong net na sinasabi? When we say net, it is a flat pattern that you can fold to form a solid figure. So mamaya, makikita nyo yung net ng bawat solid figure na ating tatalakayin. Okay, for us to know, these are the units of measure for the surface area. To measure surface area, we'll be using square units such as square millimeter, square centimeter, square decimeter, square meter, square kilometer, square inch, square foot, square yard, or square mile. So ito yung iba't ibang units na pwede nating gamitin in getting the surface area of a different figures or shapes. Okay? Surface area of a rectangular prism or the so-called cuboid. To get its surface area, it is the sum of its lateral area and the areas of its bases. So, para mas madali, SA is equal to 2LW plus 2LH plus 2WH. Ano ba itong L, W, and H? Pag sinabi nating L, ito, L for length. Okay? And then W, W for width. Okay? And H for height. So, using our formula on top, ito, okay, ito yung gagamitin natin mamaya to solve problems regarding rectangular prism surface area. Now, tingnan muna natin itong net of a cuboid. Kapag binuka natin itong box, makikita nyo, meron tayong 6 different sizes or of a rectangle here. Merong magkatulad na dalawa, tapos tatlong magkakaibang sukat. So let us analyze. If you look at this net, ito yung front of a box natin. Okay? Tapos ito yung top part. Okay? And then ito naman yung back part, if you notice. And then this will be the bottom part of the box. Okay? Now, syempre pa, ito yung left side of a box. And then the other is the right side of a box. So again, ito yung tinatawag nating net. Na kapag binuka ang isang rectangular prism or cuboid, ito ang posibleng makita nyo. Let us have a sample. Find the surface area of a rectangular prism with base length 6 cm, base width 5 cm, and height 4 cm. So in this problem, malinaw na ang length ay 6 centimeters, while the width is what? 5 centimeters. And the height is equivalent to 4 centimeters. Kanina, sabi natin that the surface area of a rectangular prism or cuboid is 2LW plus 2LH plus 2WH. So, tingnan natin. I-evaluate natin one at a time. So, copy 2. And then, so happen that L is 6. So, replace it with 6. And W here is 5. Okay? Then, plus 2, of course. And L is 6. Okay? 6. And then, H, what is H? 4. And then, plus 2, what is W? It's 5. And then, H is 4. Okay, let us solve. 2 times 6 is 12 times 5. The answer is 60. Tama? So 60. Or 6 times 5 is 30 times 2. The answer is 60. And then plus 2 times 6 is 12 times 4. The answer is 48. Or 6 times 4 is 24 times 2. The answer is 48. Then plus 2 times 5 is 10 times 4 is 40. Or 5 times 4, 20 times 2. The answer is 40. So adding all of this, 60 plus 48 plus 40 will give us what? A sum of 148. And since ang unit of measure na ginamit ay cm, so lagyan natin ng cm, then to the second power. And this is our surface area on this problem. Ayos? Ayos. Another example, suppose the given length is 7 decimeter, dm. And then the given width, for instance, is 5 dm. Okay? While the given height, for example, is 9 dm. What is its surface area? So ano kaya ang magiging surface area natin? Sabi natin, since this is a cuboid, SA is equivalent to 2LW plus 2LH plus 2WH. Again, one at a time. I-replace lang natin 2. Ang L ay 7. And then W here is 5. And then plus 2. L is 7. H is 9. Okay? And then plus 2. W is 5. And then H is 9. So again, 2LW, 2 times 7 times 5, and 2LH, 2 times 7 times 9, and 2WH, 2 times 5 times 9. So 2 times 7 times 5 is equivalent to 70. Okay? So this is, sabihin natin equal. Okay? Gawin natin tama. So equal. Again, 2 times 7 times 5 is 70. Plus 2 times 7 times 9, the answer is 126. So 1, 2, 6. Plus 2 times 5 times 9, the answer is 90. Meron na tayo ngayong 70 plus 126, okay, plus 90. Well, the sum is 286 kapag inad natin to lahat. And then copy the unit of measure, dm. Then to the second power para ito ang ating surface area. Okay? Ayos.